Hello everyone. Today we will discuss one of the easy level coding question that was asked in TCS NQT examination. So it's an array based problem. We have to find the largest element in an array. In the problem statement, you can see that they are given a array and we have to find the largest element in an array. So they are also given the input and output. So here you can see in the first array. So in the first array, 2, 5, 1, 3 and 0. 5 is the largest element in an array. In the second array, 8, 10, 5, 7, 9. And in that, 10 is the largest element in an array. So we have to find the one element which is larger, which has having a more value in the array. So I hope you got what is the problem statement is. We can solve this question by using two methods. So I will explain both the ways here. So in the first method, so let me consider the array first. So let me consider the first array, that is 2, 5, 1, 3 and 0. In one method, what we can do is we can sort the array. Sort the array in the sense, so we can sort the array in the ascending order. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. So and we can retrieve the last element in an array. So this is our output. This is the largest element in an array, right? So we can do this by using arrays.sort method in Java, and also so how we can retrieve the last element in the array? So we can assign int n is equals to, so array.length minus 1, and we print array of n. So that will be our output, right? So why array.length minus 1? What is the array.length? So how many elements in an array? So that is 5 elements. So 5, but minus 1 will become 4. So why 4? The indexing starts from 0. So this is 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4. So the last element in an array have the index value of 4. So that's why we want 4. That's why we are using array.length minus 1 property. So we can retrieve the last element in an array, which is the largest element. So our output will be 5. This is the one method we can solve. So in another method, what we can do is, so we assign that. So we assign, we having a maximum value. So int max is equal to array of 0. So we will assign the first element in an array will be the maximum element. For example, we have 2, 5, 1, 3 and 0. So we will assign 2 as max. So we are assigning max is equal to array of 0. Array of 0 in the sense 2. So we assign 2 is max. Now 2 is max. So then in the for loop, so inside the for loop, we'll say if any of the array element, so if any of array of I which is greater than max, so if it is greater than max, we'll transfer that value to the max. So let's see how it works. So now we have 2 as max, and then we will move on and check with 5. So is 5 greater than max? Yes, 5 is greater than max. Now 5 will become max. So next we have 1. So it will check with 1. So is 1 greater than max value, which is 5? So no, it is not greater than 5. So the condition fails. Next we comes here to the element 3. So we will check 3 is greater than max. So no, 3 is not greater than 5. So the condition fails. Then it comes here. So is 0 greater than max? No, 0 is not greater than max. So the condition fails. So it will retrieve the max as 5. So this is our output, right? So yeah, we can solve this by using this method also. So you can choose any method you want and see the working example of this codes. So here you can see the coding example. So what we are doing is we are assigning n as array.length minus 1, which is the last element in an array, and we are sorting the array, and then we are printing the array. So we are printing array of n. So array of n in the sense the last element in the sorted array. So it will print the last element, which is after sorting the last element will be 5. So it will print 5. So here you can see the output. So here you can see, so the output is 5. The code execution successful. So let's see the another method, the one more example. So here you can see in this method what we are doing is, so we are having a max value. We are assigning max as array of 0. The starting element we are assigning as a max, and in the for loop, so we are checking any of the array element which is greater than max. So if it is greater than max, we are updating the max value with that array value. So that is it. And then we are returning the max value, and we are passing an array to the max method here, and then we are printing the output from the max method. So that is it, and let's run this code and check what we'll get. So here you can see we are getting the same output as in the previous method. So let's check for the another example. So I'm giving the different array value here. So it is 8, 10, 5, 7, 9. After sorting, after the output, it should return 10 as an output. So which is the maximum element in this array. So let's see. Let's run this code and let's see. So here you can see 10. So just giving 10. It is the correct output. So I hope you like this video. Please do consider subscribing if you like the video, because your one like and one subscribe means a lot. Yeah, that is it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day.